Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the time on your Bosch oven. We have to be in the off position here, so you can see now the oven isn't on, and we're going to be using these three buttons here. You have to do this quickly because it locks in the time after a couple of seconds. Now to change the time we need to hit this timer button in the middle twice, once, twice, and you can see the time is now flashing. That's when we're going to be using the plus and minus buttons to change it. Every time we tap the buttons, it's going to move up and down in 1 minute. This is a 24-hour clock. If we hold them down, they're going to move much faster. So let's pretend now we want to move it to 11:41. I'm going to move, 11:42 now. I'm going to hit this twice, and I'm going to do the minus button here. And if I hold it down fast, it went fast when I held it down, and now I'm just moving it one by doing that. And then after a couple of seconds it will lock in that time. You might notice that the display changes, it just dims ever so slightly. That now means it's been locked in. You can always hit the middle button to lock it in if you don't want to wait the 2 seconds. So you can see now it's 11:42 and that is it. It is now locked in. Now let's go back to 12:42. So we're going to hit that one twice, and I'm going to hold this one down and there and hit that one, and it's now locked in. So you can see it's very easy to do. Thanks for watching.